Hi, I'm Martin and this is how to change colours in Photoshop. I'm going to change the colour of his shirt. You want to come up here, right click on it and go down to Quick Selection Tool. Plus is what will be changed on the image and the minus is what you use to cut it out. And all I do is gently go around selecting the black clothing. So I'm going to come up to Image, go down to Adjustments and down to Hue and Saturation. So now that I have selected his black t-shirt, I come up to here and just gently move this along to a certain colour. So we'll go to blue, change the saturation up because of it being a dark colour. And now the t-shirt will come up as a dark blue, or I can scroll down this way towards something like a more greenish colour. To save the changes done to it, you should come over, press OK, deselect, and now the outfit has changed colour.